Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, if you're new here, we talk about accounting and everything accounting related for university, high school, and yeah, other things corporate related. We haven't been posting. I haven't been posting for a while because we're just setting up a few things. But now we're gonna be back and we're going to be posting a lot. We're gonna be posting a lot of videos and a lot of content. So to those people who if you know someone who needs assistance in accounting and who might find the previous videos that I've made useful, please kindly share them. Kindly also advise them to subscribe because for a limited time only, I'm gonna make there'll be a lot of changes on this platform. I'm gonna be making some of the content that is there. It's gonna be available for members only. So please try as much as you can to share to those who might need the information. But we're gonna be continuing and we're going to be releasing at least a video a week or something, but we're just going to be starting somewhere to get the traction going. We're still offering tutorials on the numbers that I'm going to update on the bio, and you're going to see it again on my comment. Please make sure that you verify that it's me that you're talking to so that you don't get scammed, you don't get duped. There's a lot of people who might want or feel like they can duplicate this and everything. So please don't just end up communicating with the wrong people under the guise that it's me. Make sure that you are talking to me, and we'll schedule classes. We'll do our classes via Zoom. We'll do our classes via Teams or other platforms which are online, meaning no matter where you be, we can be able to interact and tackle the module until you get to a point where you understand everything. And yeah, so we're looking forward to posting more videos and interacting on this platform.